went to the mall with my little brother here and I found this that would interest me, so I decided to just get it.
And I got a soft pet and a water bottle.
Anyway, let us do the unboxing.
Oh, it's something cool.
Let us just see the parts.
Oh.
And what it is. It open. So here we have a bag with beads which you can put in the water. So here is the base. It runs on 2 AA batteries. Wow. We have a motor. It has 2 wires, a red wire and a black wire. Let us keep it in its packet first, for now. We have the battery cover. The thing which we can put in the motor, it will turn super fast, creating a tornado. And here is the place where we just put in the motor. And very instructions. Oh, here it is. Instruction. Actually, one thing to note, the bottle and the batteries are not included. So you need to get the things you need to get from like at home are two screwdrivers. I just took 2 screwdriver. Make sure they have 4 parts, not 2. 2 AA batteries and a bottle. Where's the bottle?
It's there.
Show me.
Toing.
Okay, I guess he has the bottle. So now let's start the first. So first step is to take and then we have this. Please be very careful. Hole right at the side, right here. If you look closely, there will be a hole. Just put them through. Okay. Then you take this cover, align it with these little bumps, and then you just take the screws. So get one of your little screws out. Securely screw this in. Then we will move on to the wirings. Make sure you get out your 2 big screws. Big. Cross them and then put them in. I'm gonna just like cross them and then just twist the wires. It's in a way making them so that they don't like. Okay, so we do need to twist them. So make sure the wires are inside because we will be closing it. There will be this thing. Make sure that is aligned. And when it's on the right side, it should be on the off part. And then just screw that on to secure them, you guessed it. Now that is done, then we're going to put this thing in. And then put the battery. Okay, and then once we're done, make sure to test. So let's see if it actually works. So as you can see, it does. Krishna, it may spill, so let me do some of it. Okay, I will hold your hand and you can just do it. Okay, you just hold it. Okay. As you can see, there is a lot of beads. Now we have to fill the bottle. I'm just gonna come and fill it 80% water. This. And then this 80% full. So all we need to do is just put this in and just twist it.
Excuse me.
I meant just twist it in and then just flip it upside down.
रुक जाओ.
Then 3, 2, 1, go!
Wait, let us just ice.
The tornado!
As you can see, this is happening.
Tornado! Is here.
And you can just off it and all the beads will go back on.
Then
It's a bead
you can
storm.
off. Then you can off.
It's a bead no. Can we stay there? As you can see that now there's a bump. So turn it on.
And as you can see, you can off.
You can even look from the center. It just looks like a storm.
Well,
In this explanation, anything that's on the surface in this case is the white beads. When we turn it on, the twister at the bottom starts a tornado, sucking everything from the top and pulling it to the bottom, creating a tornado.